Use a tape measure to determine the installation positions of the positioning bars. The spacing between the holes for positioning bars shall not exceed 800 millimeters. The spacing between the holes for positioning bars and the internal corners shall be 100 millimeter. Adopt the same method to locate the holes for positioning bars on the other side of the wall. The wall end shall be located at the intersection of the two lines, and the holes shall be drilled at marked positions for the closing plates. After the drilling positions are determined, the operators shall put on protective gear and drill the holes at the designated positions. The hole depth shall be 40–60 millimeter. Place the positioning bars at the corresponding positions. Install the positioning bars into the positioning bar holes.